Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to stream Spotify through your microphone, which can be useful for sharing music during a call or while you're gaming. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Voicemeeter. First, you'll need to download and install Voicemeeter. Go to the Voicemeeter website, download the software, and follow the installation instructions. Once it's installed, open Voicemeeter. Step 2. Set Voicemeeter as your default audio device. Right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right of your screen and select Sound. Scroll down, click on Additional Sound Settings, then in the Playback tab, find Voicemeeter Input and set it as the default device. In the Recording tab, also set Voicemeeter Output as the default device. Step 3. Configure Voicemeeter. Open Voicemeeter. It might look complicated, but let's keep it simple. In the Hardware Input section, select your microphone. This allows you to speak while listening to music. In the Virtual Input section, Spotify's audio will be captured here. Route it to the appropriate output so it plays through your mic. Step 4. Open Spotify and start playing. Now, open Spotify and start listening to your music. The audio should now be broadcast through your microphone. You can test this by joining a call or a game and asking others if they can hear the music. Step 5. Adjust the volume and balance. If the music is too loud or too quiet, adjust the levels in Voicemeeter. You can balance your voice and the music by adjusting the volume sliders for your mic in Spotify to create the perfect mix where both are clear. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully set up Spotify to play through your mic using Voicemeeter. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video.